The leg pull front is a variation from plank, and we're going to make 3 reps per leg. For this, come into a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and start kicking with both legs, that's 1, kick back again, both legs, that's 2, and complete to 3 reps. It's important that your hands are under your shoulders, your body is in a straight line from head to heels. I'm gonna show it one more time to let you know these important details. Maintain balance as you shift your weight forward and switching legs. The legs must remain with their knees extended at all times. But the most important part is your back. Don't let your back arch while you kick back. Lower down to your knees and rest.